In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import data into Notion. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go and what to click so your documents, spreadsheets, or notes land neatly in the right place. First, head over to notion.com in your web browser. Once the page loads, click Login or Launch Notion. Either option will take you into your Notion account, so pick whichever you see. After you're in, navigate to your workspace. If you're part of more than one, make sure you're in the workspace where the content should live to keep everything organized and easy to find later. Next, open the specific page where you want to bring your data in. This could be a project hub, a knowledge base, or any existing page that makes sense for your workflow. It's often helpful to import directly into the page that will host the content so you don't have to move things around afterward. On that page, look for the three-dot icon, usually in the top right corner of the page. This opens the Page Options menu. Click it, then scroll down the drop-down and select Import. A pop-up will appear, and this is where you choose what kind of content you're bringing into Notion. In the pop-up, you'll see a section labeled File-Based Imports. This area lists the file types Notion supports, covering common formats used for documents, spreadsheets, and text. If you scroll further, you'll also see a section for third-party applications. These are popular tools that Notion can import from directly, which can make moving your data much faster if you're coming from another platform. To import data, choose a file type that matches the content you have. When you click it, your computer's file manager will open. Browse to the folder where your file is stored, select the correct file, and confirm to upload. Take a moment to double check that you've picked the right file, especially if you keep multiple versions. Once you confirm, Notion will begin the import. You might see a brief progress indicator. Larger files can take a bit longer, so give it a moment. When the import finishes, your content will appear on the page you selected, typically as blocks you can edit, rearrange, or format, just like anything else in Notion. If something looks off, it's often just formatting that can be quickly adjusted to match your style. That's it, simple and straightforward. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.